These beautiful images that is shown now was made by one tool, one AI tool, and this tool is something that you might be using. If you are a creator, there is no how you've not come across this tool, but you don't really know about it because you've not really check the app. You don't know it even exists on this app. This is very, very easy to create. When you come to this app, we have a lot of image generation tools right now, but there is no one as swift, easy and beginner friendly like this particular app. And this app is Canva. The tool I use is Canva AI. It's very, very easy to create images on this app, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to create images for free and with no watermark. With just Canva you can create unlimited videos for free, and you can use these images for your African folktale stories, for TikTok, for Instagram, and for any platform you want to use these images on. So there is no watermark, no restriction, and there are different styles you can pick from. Now let's go straight to the video. You want to go ahead to download Canva on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Is very, very easy, and log in, or you sign up. If you just updated your Canva, this is how your interface is going to look like. This is how the interface of Canva looks like. For us to generate our video, go down to where you see more, tap on more, and you see this Canva AI. Just tap on it. Canva AI, that is what we are going to be using. Very good. Now, this is how Canva AI looks like. Now, they say you should describe your idea. Now, you need to choose if it's design, image, documents, code, video clips you are going for. This video clip, you need to pay for it. That is why you find this yellow crown nearby it. You need to pay for this video clip. And since we are using free Canva, we cannot use video clip. Now, what we are going to use is image. Tap on image. This place called style, you check down, you just tap on it and you see a lot of style. Now what this style is for you to choose how beautiful you want this image to be. How do you want this image to be? Do you want it in sketch? Do you want it as pop art? Do you want it vibrant? Like, just look at this style. Just look at this style. And to be honest, if you are going for African folk tales, I would just say you should choose cinematic cinematic concept. That is what I use. But please make sure you check this style, every one of it. You can even create images on every one of it for you to know the one you are going for. I usually go for cinematic concept for my folktale stories, or cinematic, but I mainly go for cinematic concept because I just feel I just love it. And if you want more colorful, you can go for creative. Just tweak it, your vibe, anyone you want to go for. Now tap on I go for cinematic concept. That's what I'm going for. Now you see this place is where you are going to choose which one you want. 2 by 1, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 1 by 1, 9 by 6, 16 by 9. I'm going for 16 by 9 because it is in YouTube. I want to create a YouTube image, an image I can use for YouTube. That is why I'm choosing 16 by 9. Now, if I'm going for 9 by 6, probably I want to upload it on TikTok, or if I'm going for 1.1, I want to upload it on Instagram. Like, just choose the ratio you want to go for. And of course, I'm going for 16 by 9. I had to quickly write my prompt so you can see. I just want to create an image of an African man and a woman holding hands and smiling. Make them look in love. This is my prompt because I want to create an African story, an African folktale story for YouTube, for a YouTube channel. And we are just going to let it go. We wait for some time. It's not going to take long, trust me. Look at them, look at it. This is what Canva created for me. It creates 4 more images for you to choose from, and if you don't like the prompt, you can tweak it anyhow you want. One thing about prompting is that your prompt should have description. Anything you want, it should have description. If I put it in, oh, I want an African man and a woman looking like they're in the village, walking on a trail, holding hands, looking at each other in love, it is definitely going to give me anything I want. But you have to prompt well. Whatever you want, you put it in your prompt and it gives it out for you. Now, just another prompt, I just want it something simple. Daniel in the lion's den. And I'm just going to put with just 2 lions. Let's see what Canva is going to create. Now this is what Canva created for me, and you can look at the image. Is lovely. This image is lovely. Why I said always go for cinematic concept is that look how it's looking like a story. It's looking like a story. It's looking realistic. Now, if I want to give more description, if I want to give more description, like okay, make it look like this, make Daniel look like this, I am going to put it in my prompt. So but my prompt is so easy, my prompt is so simple. That is why Canva just gave me like this for me to choose from the images. They usually give 4 images when you give them a prompt. Like look at what I have initially created, look at the things I've created before. A cat and rat eating bread and fried egg. Look at what Canva created for me. You see how this one is. And this particular one, you can look at this place. This particular one is not cinematic concept I use. This is a smart concept I use. This is a smart style rather I use, not a cinematic concept. So any style you want, you can pick it. This I use cinematic concept, and look at the difference. Look at the difference. Look at how the smart looks like. Look how the cinematic concept look like. It's more realistic. That is why I usually go for cinematic concept. The previous one I created where I said Daniel and the Lions, then look at it. None. I used no style for it, and this is what it created. This is what it's created for me. I made this for an African channel where I said a chief dressed in an African attire with gold necklace around his neck make him look like royalty. I created this for a channel, and this is what was given to me. This looks good. This is so lovely. This actually looks good. They usually give four samples of whatever you want, and I went for cinematic concept. As you can see, I usually go for cinematic concept. Like I said, it looks more realistic. Look at how good looking these images are. To save any image, if there's any image you like and you want to save it, just tap on it, tap on the image. It takes you over to this particular place. It's, oh, what do you like to change? If there's something you want to change about it, just write anything you want to change about it, just put it down. Yeah, and yes, just tap on it and to go. And if not, just save it. Just tap on this arrow down, tap on it. In a matter of seconds, it saves the image. This, it has been saved just like that, and it's in your photos, it's in your gallery. Just go over and use it. So you can actually use them in your videos, or you can use them as thumbnail for your YouTube video. And just like that, you've created images for your videos, images for your channels. As you can see, it is not hard at all. It is not hard. It's something very, very simple for you to do. Choose any style, go with your prompt, choose the ratio you're going for. If you want a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, choose anything you want, prompt it well. If you want AI to give you a well described image, like something realistic, something you want, you need to prompt well. You need to write the prompting well. The prompting matters. Whatever you give it is going to create for you, and if you do not like it, it can create over and over and over and over again for you. This is the easiest way for you to create images, for AI images for your channel. And for the fact that you can choose any style you want. The fact you can choose from any style, if you want it in sketch, if you want it in cartoon, if you want it cinematic, if you want it anyhow, if you want it smart, any kind of style, you can actually choose from it and create your own image. That is how simple it is, and that's why I love using this particular tool, which is Canva, that most of you use but do not really know about it. And people do not even know with Canva you can actually edit your videos. Yes, you can edit your videos on Canva. This is the simplest way for you to create AI images for your channel, for your Faceless YouTube channel. If this video actually taught you something, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video so the algorithm knows to push this video to more creators like us who want the simplest way to create things, who just want one tool that will create one simple thing with just easy step, no stress at all. So thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you comment if you have any question for me, and I will definitely answer you. We'll see you again in another video.